All right, thanks for checking out my Nissan 350Z, and thanks for watching PASMAG Tuning 365. Hi, my name is Christopher Simpson from Spartanburg, South Carolina. So you're here to check out my 2008 Nissan 350Z Nismo. Bought the car new September 07. Didn't plan on really doing too much to it. Started with the hood, carbon fiber addiction kind of took over, you know, and it's what you got right here. My favorite mods on the car, obviously the Nitrous. It got a 150-shot Nitrous system on it, the Nitrous. Let's see, definitely the T37s, and I definitely love a wide body. It's Crown Custom Carbon out of California. Didn't really want to wide body the car, but it got hit in the back, you know, so once it got hit in the back, you know, I was like, what the heck, you know, go ahead and wide body it because I wanted to do it anyway. You know, as far as, you know, that, say the inspiration behind the car, you know, like I was saying earlier, just didn't want to build another Rocket Bunny Z. You know, my thing is always to do it a little different, you know, from the full carbon, you know, to the doors, you know, to the Nitrous, you know, just other than a conventional turbo, just, you know, I'm familiar with Nitrous, so, you know, I'm a big Nitrous fan, so I went with Nitrous. And, you know, that's pretty much my story, man. You know, I appreciate you checking out my car at the RAYS Tribute booth here at PASMAG. Thanks, man. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's a lot of nice cars out here, man. To win this, man, it means a lot. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Thanks, PASMAG.